TASC was drowning in emails, until this changed everything. TASC, a tax and accounting firm, was stuck in a mess of email chains, lost documents, and frustrating delays when collecting client files. Reporting timelines were slipping, and manual tracking was eating up valuable time. Enter a game-changing client portal. Automated document requests, no more back-and-forth emails, seamless client uploads, easy access to Google Drive folders, smart notifications. Clients always know what's needed, real-time updates, faster, more accurate reporting in just 20 hours. This no-code solution cut out manual tracking, improved efficiency, and streamlined client workflows. How TASC sped up client document collection with a custom portal. Softr expert Kateryna Kryvenda helped TASC, a tax and accounting services company, streamline how they collect documents from clients.